Okay, kids, we're going to make that Friend Beast sushi resource. You'll go to elink.io and create an account. Please use your Walnut Creek School District account, and you'll be brought to your dashboard where you will create a new e-link. Only one partner will need to do this. You'll work together to design it. Once you get to your new e-links, the first thing you'll have to select is a template. And I need you to select one that allows you to show your description of the article. So that's Legian, Semniak, and there was one more that was not a pro, and Amaya can be used. So just those three, unfortunately. Select your template, and then you'll begin pasting your URLs. It doesn't matter which order you'll do it. So I'm going to start with that sewing machine one we did in class. And I want the link from Gail. I don't want it to my Google Doc. So I'm going to copy that link without that period and put that into eLink. It'll import it. And now I need to decide on an image. And I have one that I want in this Smithsonian collection. I'm going to need to save it to my downloads folder, okay, because I need to upload it into eLink. So save image as, and make sure it's going into your downloads. And I'm going to call it Sewing Machine 1 and save it. Back to eLink. I want to upload an image. And there it is. And open it. And now I can position it. So I'm going to drag it. It's not going to get the whole thing, but I'll get most of it. And then for a tag, what I'd like you to do is to include the link to that picture. So Control C and paste that here. Okay, and it says sewing machine without a capital. I'm going to fix that for my title. And then it puts the beginning of the article, which is not what I want. So I'm going to delete that and copy my annotation over. I wrote that at the bottom of the article, so I'm going to copy and paste that into it. Control C and Control V and save it. Okay. So it's saving, and then I'm going to be ready to put the new one in. You can see it right there, and it's showing me sort of a preview of it. For my next one, I want to use this image of the Singer sewing machines around the nation. Okay, so I want to use the smaller image, so I'm going to go there, save it again, and then it's automatically going to my download, Singer Nations, I'm going to call it. Okay, save it. And back to my eLink, I'm going to paste that URL, actually, because that page has all that information, that some of which I used in my annotation. So copy and paste that into eLink as my URL. And actually, this one might come up with the image because there is an image there. Woohoo! So I don't have to do that, actually. And I'm going to move it so you can kind of see what all the text. And again, I don't think I need a tag here because it's going to link right to that page. And again, I'm going to take out their description, that's part of it, and put mine in, which I had done underneath that image link, and paste it in. Okay, so that's the gist of using eLink. Save it. And what you're going to notice is they might not be going in the order I want, because I'd actually want my viewer to see this one first, because in my annotation for the second one, I refer to the first one. So that's going to be necessary. Another thing you'll need to do is add a header. You can see some of those are pro. You can do a plain one, or you can do a text overlay, and it'll be automatically black. And you'll want to make it maybe a different color, and you can go to Google and save color blocks. going to say my subtitle is part of the Industrial Revolution. And I can upload an image from, like if I search Google for like blue images to find a color that I like better than black, you can see that this is something I'd just do the same thing that I did. I can save image as, call it my blue bar or blue banner, and then import it into my Elink here. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that for now, black. And then I go in and finish my links. If I have 3, if I have 4, if I have 5, I've got to do all that. And then I'm going to be ready to publish it, and you'll get a link for that later. So have fun making your Elink. You're a very good curator at this point. You know what there is to know.